First, place your scanner calibration board on the machine bed, with the A target side closest to the datum or Y0 side of the machine. Next, launch the Odysseus controller in Rhino using the Launch Odysseus command and expand all menus. Move the machine to the A marker point by first connecting to the machine and clicking the A button. Using the machine's laser pointer as a guide, align the center of the target with the red dot and tape this side down as shown. Now move the machine to the C marker by clicking on the C button. Align the center of the C target with the laser pointer and stick this side down, making sure the calibration board is as flat and straight as possible. Next, move to the B marker by clicking on the B button. If the previous steps have been done correctly, the target should already be aligned. If not, you may have to move the machine back to the A and C markers and adjust the board accordingly. Now, move the machine to the final calibration position. If you are recalibrating after replacing camera, use the Connect to New Scanner button. If you are doing a normal recalibration, just simply connect to scanner, and then calibrate using the Calibrate Scanner button. If the scanner calibration is successful, you'll be notified of its completion with the following pop-up message. Finally, save the scanner calibration with your desired file name. We recommend naming it with the month and year of the calibration date, as well as the name of the person who did the calibration. Then set this new calibration as default. This concludes the calibration process.